In 1870, only 1/10 of the African continent was under European control. Then a number of European nations sat down at various conference tables and carved up Africa among themselves. By 1900, only 1/10 of Africa remained independent. How did these European nations, who were not even interested in acquiring territory in Africa in the first place, manage to divide the entire continent among them in only 30 years? What caused the scramble for Africa? Until the mid-19th century, Europeans knew very little about tropical Africa. That is, Africa from the bottom of the Sahara Desert to southern Africa. Previous contacts had been limited mainly to slave trading. Europeans built forts and trading stations along the African coast, from which to ship slaves to the New World. But the European slave traders did not venture into the African interior. An increase in missionary activity accompanied the slackening of the slave trade. A few Europeans began to acquire some knowledge of the mysterious interior of Africa. This knowledge was extended by an increasing number of explorers who made expeditions into previously uncharted wilderness.